Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Quran online. First, begin by researching and selecting a reputable online platform or academy that specializes in Quranic education. It's crucial to find one with qualified instructors who hold proper ijazah, ensuring authentic teaching. Many platforms offer flexible schedules, including one-on-one or group sessions, making it easier to fit learning into your daily routine. Consider options that provide a free trial to assess their teaching style and curriculum before committing. Next, prepare your dedicated learning environment. A stable internet connection is essential for uninterrupted online sessions. Find a quiet space free from distractions where you can focus entirely on your studies. Download any required software or applications, such as video conferencing tools, well in advance. Also, have your physical Quran, a notebook, and pens ready to take notes and mark important passages during your lessons. This preparation will significantly enhance your learning experience. Now, it's time to actively engage with your online lessons. Participate fully in live classes, asking questions to clarify any doubts you may have. Consistent daily practice of Quranic recitation is vital, paying close attention to tajweed rules for proper pronunciation. Many platforms offer personalized feedback, which is incredibly valuable. Regularly review recorded lessons and complete all assigned homework to reinforce your understanding and track your progress effectively. Aim for at least 30 minutes of daily practice. Finally, foster continuous improvement and connect with a supportive community. Joining online forums or study groups can provide peer support and motivation. Always seek regular, constructive feedback from your instructor to identify areas for growth and refine your recitation. Set clear, achievable goals for your learning journey, whether it's memorizing a new surah or perfecting your tajweed. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, to maintain your enthusiasm and dedication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.